Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already discussed what is homonyms. क्या होते हैं homonyms? That is, some words sound alike but have different spellings and meanings are known as homonyms. Students, today we will discuss the Now today we will use above homonyms in our sentence to make their meaning clear. Let's start. Okay, let's start with the first one. That is advice. That is advice. My uncle gave me my uncle gave me some good advice when I was in trouble. ओके फिर एक वर्ड था दैट इज एडवाइस. ADVISE. दिस इज ऑल्सो एडवाइस, बट इस एडवाइस का मतलब क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज गाइडेंस, दैट इज रिकमेंड, एंड दिस एडवाइस दैट मीन्स गाइडेंस. My mother always advises me to bring a jacket to the movie theater because the air conditioning can be chilly. Okay students, एक क्या था? एडवाइस, दैट इज रिकमेंड. इट मीन्स माई मदर ऑलवेज एडवाइजेज मी टू ब्रिंग अ जैकेट टू द मूवी थिएटर because the air conditioning can be chilled. We will underline this is advices, that is guidance, and advice that is recommend. एक था क्या? एडवाइस, SE वाला जो होता है, SE, that is advice. Wait a minute. एडवाइस का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज गाइडेंस, एंड एडवाइस दैट मीन्स रिकमेंड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू वांट टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट you can take, then we will move to the next one. Okay students, now second one is that is break. Okay, move to the next. Second one is that is break. क्या होता है ब्रेक का? You should not break the law. You should not break the law. और एक ब्रेक कौन सा होता है? जो हमारी गाड़ी में होता है, दैट इज डोंट ब्रेक, डोंट ब्रेक डोंट ब्रेक सडनली, कभी भी हमें अचानक से गाड़ी के ब्रेक नहीं लगाने चाहिए, डोंट ब्रेक सडनली। नाउ थर्ड वन, दैट इज बियर। क्या है? बियर। द बियर स्टॉप, द बियर स्टॉप, the bear stopped and stared at him. The bear stopped and stared at him, but made no move, no move to run away, to run away. And next one is that is bear. तो ये क्या होगा? Don't walk, don't walk on the cold floor, cold floor with bare, with bare feet. Okay students, if you want to take screenshot you can take. Next, that is fourth one is bad. Telling lies, telling lies is a very bad habit, very bad habit. ओके और एक है बेड जिसपे हम सोते हैं। राम goes early to bed. Okay students, now if you want to take screenshot you can take. Then we will move to the next, that is cattle. Okay, move to the next, that is fifth one, that is cattle. A herd of cattle, herd of cattle had strayed, had strayed into the road, into the road. ओके और एक है नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कैटल, जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं? अ कंटेनर यूज टू बॉईल दी वाटर। तो हम लिखेंगे ओनली, ओनली फिल, only fill the kettle, only fill the kettle with enough water, enough water for your needs. Okay students, now sixth one, sixth क्या है? That is dye, to lose life, and dye to color. Now move to the next one, that is dye. Dye. Every second millions of cells die in our body and millions are born okay students, and next one is that is dye, to color hair, dress, some to color anything, for example hair, dress. okay students, एक होता है dye. Tom wants to dye his hair. टॉम को अपने हेयर डाई करने हैं. नेक्स्ट 7 इज दैट इज ईयर. ईयर क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? एक हमारा सेंस ऑर्गन है जिससे हम सुनते हैं. ईयर, वी हियर with our ears. We hear with our ears. Next one is that is ear. We had a lot of rain last year. We had a lot of rain last year. Now if you want to take screenshot you can take, then we will move to the next, that is 8th one. I hope you understand the homonyms. Students, इनमें क्या होता है? Some words sound alike but have different spellings and meanings. Such words are called homonyms. Now move to the next, that is 8th. 8th one, pair. पेयर मतलब चार्ज करना कुछ. ट्रेन फेयर increases of 5% are for the next year. Next year. Now move to the next, that is fair. F-A-I-R. That is, I don't think that this decision is quite fair. Okay students. Okay, in our next class we will continue from 9th 9 to 16. We will continue in our next video. Okay, you have to do all this homonyms in your English grammar notebook. In our next video we will continue from 9th 9 to 16. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you class.